In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk import invoices into Xero. We'll walk through the full process, step by step, so you can upload many invoices at once instead of creating them manually. Make sure you're already logged into your Xero account before you begin, and that you have the right access permissions to work with sales and invoices. First, from your Xero dashboard, look for the main menu at the top of the screen. Find the option labeled Sales and click on it. This is where Xero keeps everything related to the money coming into your business, including quotes, invoices, and customer information. Once you're in the sales area, you'll see several options. Click on Invoices. This will open your Invoices screen, where you can normally view, create, and manage individual invoices. For this tutorial, we're going to use this page as our starting point to import a whole batch at once. On the Invoices page, look for the option labeled Import. This is usually located near the top of the page. Go ahead and click Import. This tells Xero that instead of entering invoices one by one, you want to upload a file that contains multiple invoices. You'll now be taken to the invoice import screen. Here, Xero provides a template you should use. Find and click Download Template File. This will download a spreadsheet file to your computer. Open that template in your spreadsheet program of choice. You'll see column headers that match the fields Xero needs, such as contact name, invoice date, due date, line item details, and so on. Carefully fill in the template with your invoice data. Make sure each invoice is on its own row and that you follow the format shown in the example rows, especially for dates and tax settings. It's a good idea to start with a small batch first to test and double check for typos, missing required fields, or incorrect codes. When you're done, save the file in the same format provided by Xero, usually as a CSV file. Now go back to the invoice import screen in Xero. After filling the template, click on the Browse button. This opens a file picker on your computer. Navigate to where you saved your completed template file, select that file, and confirm your choice. With your file selected, you're ready for the final step. Click on Import. Xero will upload the file and process your invoices. If there are any issues, Xero will show you an error message indicating which rows need fixing. Otherwise, your invoices will now appear in the Invoices section, ready for review and approval.